Welcome back, Keeshra, to telechecker.com, and belated happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
As you know, I mean, your fans have sent you gifts. So, what do you have to say about it?
Like you said, belated happy birthday. I want to say that my birthday was really long back. It was on the 3rd of Feb. एंड उसके बाद मुझे ऑब्वियसली मेरे ट्विटर पे, मेरे फेसबुक फैन पेज पे बहुत सारे मैसेजेस और बहुत सारे वीडियोस, सब कुछ मैंने देख लिया है वो सब. बट ऑब्वियसली आई वुड गेट कीप गेटिंग कॉल्स फ्रॉम यू गाइज एंड मैसेजेस फ्रॉम माई फैंस सेइंग दैट हमारा दी आपने जाके हमारा गिफ्ट नहीं कलेक्ट किया एंड दिस एंड दैट. सो फाइनली आज मुझे टाइम मिला आफ्टर होममेड दाना गॉट ओवर. मैं यहाँ पर आई हूँ एंड आई ओपन द गिफ्ट्स एंड आई थिंक दे आर जस्ट सो अडोरेबल बिकॉज to see something like this is really overwhelming. This is from Sarah, which she sent me. It's a keychain with K for me. So I think it's really cute. Thank you so much. And this is a very nice Gannu Bhiya, like they call it now. Ganesh ji from Pallavi, who's also the admin of my fan page. So I think it's really pretty. Thank you so much, Pallavi. So this is what they sent me, and there was also a handmade card from Pallavi जो उसने मुझे भेजा है, which is this. You can see that she's made it herself. इतना सारा effort डाल के मेरी मैं इतना लेट आके collect कर रही हूँ. This is how it is inside. The longest letter that I have got from her, which I will read आराम से when I get home.
इतना बड़ा स्वीट लिखा
नहीं लिखा. So this is thing and सारा ने एक और कार्ड भेजा मेरे लिए, which is also very cute. It's got a teddy inside with flowers and everything. So. The thing for my birthday. Thank you so much guys. I mean, I really can't thank you guys enough. मतलब इतना सब कुछ करते हो ना. I am seriously what I am because of you guys, and I love it that I have this connection with my fans. It's truly amazing. Like I have met 3-4 of them also. जहाँ पे भी मैं travel करती हूँ for plays and all, I every time I post मैं कहाँ travel कर रही हूँ, so they whoever is from there they tell me कि अच्छा हम आके मिल सकते हैं क्या, and all. So they come, they have come met me, they've given me gifts even there, so I mean it's really sweet. All I can do for them is just say a big thank you for everything that they do. They watch my shows. Like I was telling you the other day, Sahara One कोई नहीं देखता था. मतलब एटलीस्ट जब मैंने मैसेज लिखा तो they said कि no, we'll start watching it for you, so what more can you ask for? I think I'm really blessed and really thank you so much. I love you all.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Keeshra, we keep getting messages from the fans that we want Pyar Ki Kahani with season 2.
Yeah.
So what do you think about it, and would you like to be part of it if it's made with they come up with season 2?
I want it too. I also want actually season 2 because I think it's high time. Ekta, please just get it back now because बहुत हो गया है, and I keep getting messages. Telechecker is complaining कि उनको भी messages आते रहते हैं. So I think we should get it back, and it was a very good show. It was doing well, and मतलब मेरा तो ये fan page ही बना है because of प्यार की एक कहानी. So I think it's one of those shows which can obviously have a season 2. So I think we should, but मैं बात करूँगी एक तरह से, I promise.
Okay. Thanks a lot, Keeshra.
Thank you so much
for coming here.
Thank you, thank you, really, thank you Telechecker once again for keeping all this so safely and अच्छे से for me to come and collect it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.